In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Coursera password. If you've forgotten your password or simply want to regain access to your account, don't worry, this process is straightforward. All you'll need is a stable internet connection and access to the email inbox linked to your Coursera account. First, head to the Coursera password reset page. You can get there by going to Coursera's sign-in page and selecting the Forgot Password option, or by searching for Coursera password reset in your browser and choosing the official Coursera link. Make sure you're on the legitimate Coursera site before you proceed. Once you're on the reset page, enter the email address you use for your Coursera account. Take a moment to double check for typos. Extra spaces or misspelled domains are common hiccups. When you're confident it's correct, click Send Password Reset. You may see a brief security check, completed if prompted, and then wait for the confirmation that the email has been sent. Now, open your email inbox and look for a message from Coursera. It usually arrives within a couple of minutes, but it can take a bit longer depending on your email provider. If it's not in your main inbox, check your spam or junk folder and consider searching your inbox for the word Coursera or password reset. If you requested multiple resets, use the most recent email, since earlier links might be invalidated by later requests. When you find the email, open it and click the secure link inside to create a new password. This link will take you to Coursera's reset page. Links like these can expire for security reasons, so if it no longer works, simply return to the reset page and request a fresh email. On the password creation page, choose a strong, unique password. Aim for something memorable to you but hard for others to guess, and avoid reusing passwords from other sites. Follow any on-screen rules such as minimum length or required character types. Enter the new password, confirm it, and submit. That's it. Once you've set the new password, you're ready to continue using your Coursera account. Keep your new password in a secure place and remember not to share it with anyone. If at any point the email doesn't arrive or the link won't open, wait a couple of minutes and try again from the reset page, making sure you're using the correct account email.